You want me to keep it in third or what?
Yeah, third's fine. You're not really going fast enough to need fourth.
You're right. Damn, that's so much better right there.
Yep. Nice. Nicely done.
All right, shoot for that middle patch. Oh, we got a fit behind it. This will be interesting. About to get passed by Honda Fit.
That's right. Those guys are out there driving the shit out of those things.
Dude, it's so rad.
Yeah. It's like the coolest little mini series ever.
I know. Like, I want to do it so bad.
Right. They're like super cheap cars, too.
Dude, 15s. I see what you mean about less steering angle.
Yep.
As soon as I pulled it out, it was fine.
Yep. Yeah, sometimes it's counterintuitive, but it works.
Right? And now we got a train. If it doesn't progress, I think I'm going to pull in and wait.
Yeah, for sure. To give yourself a gap.
Yeah.
For sure. Getting used to it, huh? Good deal.
It's so much better right there.
Yep.
Oh, Mustang's getting sideways.
Oh, RX7's getting sideways.
Might as well match him.
Tandem.
Woo! I keep walking that fit on the straightaways. Go figure, right?
Yeah, right? If he is right on you in the corners, though, we should let him by so that way he can...
Yeah, he can keep going, yeah.
Yeah.
But, I mean, he's not really catching me. It might just be a beginner. Somebody who wants to, you know, get a different perspective.
Yep.
Maybe, who knows?
Remember, all the way to the outside here, there's a ton of grip.
If he doesn't let me by, we're going in.
For sure.
Because now we got the Fit stacked up behind us.
Probably let them buy you anyways. That way, if they are faster, you can learn it. If they're not faster, it won't matter. You'll be able to repass them. Nice.
It's nice because it, if you like in that corner, if you let off, it's got lift off oversteer, so I mean, it helps.
Yeah. Yeah, nice, gentle, easy rotation.
Yeah. It's nice. Because then if you don't want to, well, I could have got on it, but I don't know how that would have went where I was at.
Remember to stay outside.
Was that line kind of fucked up?
A little bit. If you ride the rim all the way, it sticks better.
So just turn in later?
Yep.
now we're all fucked up through here.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go in, kind of gap this out a little bit.
Okay.
Because now we got a Miata and a Honda behind us. Like out here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yep.
I'm going in though, look at this shit.
Yeah, the huge line.
The bracket off?
Bracket off because we're not going to be removing the rotor.
Yep, because when you do pads, you just have to remove the top bit. Or, if you're lucky enough to have quick release pads, you just pull the pin out of the top and slide the pads out. F***ing lucky bastards.
I've actually never worked on that yet.
The slide, you take the slide pins out, well, the 2 pins out of the back. They're basically slide pins, is what the bracket slides on.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you take the slide pins out.
Yeah. Legend. Oh, you're right. We think running that seat for the RX or a Bride?
I feel like the Bride would fit it more.
Yeah.
As much as I think that seat's really rad. It's all taped up aluminum and shit. Oh, one last thing. Remember, if you need racing safety equipment, go to bridgemoto.com and use the coupon code AFTERBURNER for 5% off at checkout. Remember, that's bridgemoto.com, use the coupon code AFTERBURNER. That offer's good through October 31st.